Oh! So I would not believe personally that this car can do this type of performance. Hello guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So today we are here in the forest, so we will check out how the new 2025 AMG GLE 53 hybrid behaves here on the twisty roads, twisty bends and curves. So this will be very interesting to check out the cornering capabilities of this new hybrid, which actually has added weight in the back in form of the plug-in hybrid. So we will test this in today's video. And guys, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified for all upcoming episodes. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and I will be curious to check out your thoughts and comments about this new GLE 53 hybrid, and let me know if you would go for the 53 mild hybrid or this 53 plug-in hybrid. Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so welcome in the Forest Hill section with Twisty Roads, and let's see what we can get out of this car in terms of the cornering capabilities. So here we have the new 53 GLE Coupe, and this is also the all-new plug-in hybrid version with basically added batteries and weight in the back. And this car should be capable of delivering even more power than the mild hybrid, because we have electric motor 100 kilowatts as well at the front, together with the combustion engine, of course, 6-cylinder 3.0 liter inline engine with, of course, turbocharger. And this will give us 544 horsepower of system output at 750 Newton meters. So here we have first sharp corner. Let's go into the third gear, second, and let's go. Okay. Nice. Next. Okay, so that was very good, very. I'm actually really surprised by this. I had like a lorry behind me, delivery truck, and almost I cannot see the truck now. So wow, this was actually really good. I think I need to go closer. Okay. I have bolsters on 10. So this car has, I can feel it has more power than basically the mild hybrid. Actually much better than I expected it to be. These are quite twisty roads, as you can see and hear, because the tires are squeaking quite a lot. Wow. And it even pops nicely, this car. Okay, so this section was quite challenging in terms of the corners. You can see the motorbikes, they are driving up and down constantly, always here. So it's good for also motorbikes, but also for performance cars. Normal cars need to drive more cautious here, of course, because they don't have as much capabilities. But performance cars, this is like a mini Nordschleife for these performance cars and also the motorbikes. Okay, let's try one more time. Here we have quite sharp bend. Let's go. Nice. Of course, I'm going slower on the straights because with this car, if you go full throttle, you are going way over speed limit, which is not the, of course, is not the point of this video. Is also we need to test corner capabilities, not the straight on the straights. Look how many motorbikes. So yeah, that's the idea, to test the cornering, not the performance on the straights. So now we go downhill. Here you don't even need to use much of a throttle, so let's see what we can get. But so far I'm really impressed. You don't feel the weight as much as I thought you would here. This is the most challenging road which I can find here in around many kilometers. You don't have really fast corners, but the angle is very steep. Maybe you can hear how my backpack is flying around. That's because the G-forces are quite significant here. Okay. We have also some pumped-in noise in the cabin. But it's more fun than I actually expected it to be. And if you buy this car, I'm not sure how often you will drive like this, but certainly we need to test this because it's an AMG, so it needs to deliver in these corners. And wow, now the crackle was nice, and it needs to deliver, of course. And when they develop this car, they also have to test this on Nordschleife, Nürburgring. So this is nothing for if you compare this with the Nordschleife. This is a much slower course, but it's quite fun because you don't need to go fast here to have fun. On Nordschleife it's much faster. This is really like technical. You don't really need aerodynamics here because you have slow speeds. So mechanical grip is key here, which can deliver this car because we have a added weight in form of the hybrid pushing on the rear axle and giving the tires really nice grip. So it's pressing. Imagine usually when like two people sit in the back, you can feel that the rear has nice grip. This is the same with this car. So imagine 300 kilos, like two people which have 150 kilo each are sitting in the back. And the sound is essentially the same as with the mild hybrid, so that is also good news. And now we have a little bit of the bad road. The tarmac is not smooth, but even here in Sport Plus with the suspension, it's fine. Also brakes nicely calibrated. More on the comfort side. If you press, they are not as bitey, but nonetheless they are good. Alright guys, so we are in the twisty bits here, so we'll check the corners here in the back, essentially on the way back. Nice. Really nice. The hybrid, the way it is pressing onto the rear, really great job. And the pops, can open the sunroof a little bit. Oh, wow, this was really loud. You don't get always these pops, but when you do, it's really loud. Okay, now once again. So really nice. Okay, we are back in the corners. I think this is the last one. Yes, this is the last one. Okay, nice. And this is the last one. Okay, very good. Let's check out the heat in the tires. So what kind of temperature we are looking at. So 50 front, 40 Celsius rear. That's not too hot, but it's okay. So yeah, this is much better than I actually expected to be. Here in the corners, really nice. And also steering is good. It's not heavy, it's not light, it's just right, I would say, for this type of car. For me it could be heavier, of course, more even more hefty, but I understand that this needs to be balanced to be just right. Let's go and check the temperatures. 109 Celsius for the oil, uphill, not bad, good cooling. And here the tires are actually a little bit colder, so yeah, not much heat in these. So it's not super hot day and not even sun right now on the asphalt. But yeah, really good. And okay, now it pops back. Ho, ho, ho. Really nice. Here we have the section uphill from different side. This is more uphill than before. So for this performance, I would even like to see here bucket seats. Because with these seats, okay, I have bolsters on 10, essentially on maximum, but still I think would be nice to have a bucket seats here. But for daily driving bucket seats, not many people would buy this. So that's, I understand that why they don't offer here. Maybe for some ultra performance like a V8 63 Pro or something, that would be actually cool. But for the 53, of course, you will drive this more in the daily scenarios. Cornering is nice for sure. So I would not believe personally that this car can do this type of performance previous to the drive, before the driving. I can even shift in the corner. Now we go downhill once again. We don't need as much power here, just cornering capabilities. So let's go at medium pace we don't need now to go full pace. We can try different style. Okay, and pops are back. This is nice, this is really nice and something what many people will enjoy for sure. The brakes not fading. I'm not going, of course, in sort of like super aggressive mode, but still no fade here. They're a little bit more bitey after many driving here on the hill. And steering, now I feel that it is a little bit heavier, or maybe I'm more tired. So that could be also the reason. We can conclude this video here. We drove twice up and down, so yeah, that is a good amount for this video. So let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below. What do you think about this GLE 53 here in the woods, in the forest? And the tires are still 40-40, we can say. So medium warm, not hot for sure. Alright guys, so smash the like button if you enjoyed this episode, subscribe and hit the bell, and stay tuned for more episodes. Alright guys, thank you so much for support, and I will see you soon in the next video, and have a wonderful day.